Hi, I'm Julie, founder of Unique Designs here in the UK and current director for professional development for APDO. I work with people who want to curate their beautiful life. For many of them, that starts with their home. As an interior designer, property stylist, home stager and organiser, I am able to meet my clients at their point of need and often support them through challenging times in their lives. For our Time for Change conference, I would like to propose 2 sessions. Firstly, a look at how we as professional organisers can support our clients when they decide to move home. I propose a journey through the 7 stages of preparing a property for sale and the move process, educating and inspiring our members and attendees to think differently about the services that they can offer and how they are interrelated. Secondly, a workshop looking at gamification and how we can bring fun into our work by creating resources, saleable resources that will support the work we already do with our clients. My presenting style is passion-led, down-to-earth, practical, and I trust inspiring. Fun fact about me, I won a regional flower arranging competition at the age of 12 and still enjoy it today. Finally, as a fellow director of APDO, I'm looking forward to being inspired to change in this time for change.